Welcome to Metacardio. I am Om, and this is Moa.
Hi! Together we represent the collective experience of over 2,000 people who succeeded in this healthy lifestyle program over a span of many years.
This app is designed for adults age 21 or older. Your personal privacy is of utmost concern for us. Feel free to use a made-up username. If you buy this app, only the App Store has your financial information. We don't, and you will not see any advertising or links to products here.
We do need your accurate age, gender, height, weight, and the city where you live, though, because our safe and sound lifestyle suggestions are based on them.
You either allow data to be imported from your Apple Health, or you may enter it manually.
Now let us show you how to use our app once you sign up for the 2-week free trial.
First, tap this to enter some basic info so that we can make the most suitable lifestyle suggestions to you, such as how much weight to lose and how fast. There are explanations along the way for why we need the info.
If you are busy or absent-minded, maybe check all 3 here so we can send you reminders for each day's tasks. You cannot get to the next day's program until you have taken a few minutes to complete all the cards for the day.
Please proceed to Week 0, Part A to do a few mini prep steps. Most are just to get you mentally geared up. Once done, you can skip Parts B, C, or D and begin Week 1, Day 1 of your 2-week free trial.
This is like deciding where you want to go, then turning on the ignition and checking the gauges before driving off. Let's start the journey now.
In the beginning of each of the 12 weeks, you see a daily welcome card with its theme title.
We then ask you to go on your scale when you get out of bed and right after using the bathroom. This is the most accurate weight of the day and the lowest.
If you didn't do that, and it's late in the day, enter yesterday's weight so you can move on. But the next day, you'd better get your accurate weight entered so we can keep track for you.
The same process applies to the number of steps you've taken by the end of each day according to your pedometer, which is also built into most smartphones.
Research proves that those who weigh themselves daily lose twice as much weight as those who only do it once a week. And people who don't do it at all end up gaining weight.
Every day, you get to watch a 1 to 3 minute info video on what and why certain lifestyle suggestions are made for the week. You'll be hearing it from several friendly characters of rather diverse backgrounds and personalities.
Followed by a card with bullet points of the key takeaways from the info video.
There are daily cards suggesting painless tactics for reducing food and sugary drink intake.
You get mini-series videos on specific nutritional topics presented by our registered dietitian.
She offers tons of helpful professional suggestions.
Instead of regular pasta, try some interesting variations, such as shirataki noodles, which are made from konjac yam fiber, or experiment with zoodles, made from zucchini.
In the beginning, you'll still be on the same food you've been eating, presumably because you like it. Over time, we'll suggest better substitutes for you to try.
We understand nobody would keep eating food they don't like for very long, no matter how healthy it's supposed to be. We aim for long-term, sustainable success here.
Some weeks, you get to watch entertaining mini-series story videos, each 1 to 2 minutes long.
Omar, I'll teach you how to ride this spirited champion.
Lessons grounded in real-life stories often stays with you longer, even on topics some people find boring, like diet, exercise, and stress training.
Again, takeaway bullet points follow each video.
Our graduates have told us clearly that stress in daily life has contributed greatly to their weight and health problems. That's why we stress relief.
Every day we offer sessions for mental refreshment. Here's our breathing room. Some call it meditation. On week 1, you have the option to listen to a series of training tutorials. Any time of any day, you may click this to do your breathing exercise for any length of time with or without the tutorial.
There are many health hazards in prolonged sitting, so every day you will see a different reminder card to stand, stretch, and smile frequently.
Throughout the day, you also see quotation cards for information, humor, motivation, and inspiration. You may bookmark any of the cards for future review.
Near the end of the day, we have you reflect on your overall mood for the day, and we track it for you.
We end your day with a good night audio podcast for a couple of minutes to help you relax with a pleasant sensation and positive thoughts before going to sleep. It also helps to put things in perspective.
This shows a calendar of all the days in this program. If something unexpected comes up, you may skip up to 2 days in a row. After that, we'll prompt you to resume.
This page summarizes your progress, indicates how many more cards on the app you still have to complete, and periodically sends you awards if you've been good.
So there you have it. Please go ahead and move on to Week 0, Part A, and get started with us.
We look forward to having you in our sensible and delightful program.